Divorce is never easy. In fact, it can be downright overwhelming. It's a time of unprecedented change that can take a financial and emotional toll. That's why you need a team of specialists to help you navigate this difficult process. In this video, I'm going to share 5 key professionals you should consider when putting together your divorce dream team. Number 1, family law attorney. At its core, divorce is a legal process. You need a competent attorney to help you navigate the procedural requirements, negotiate on your behalf, advise on legal issues, and if push comes to shove, represent you in court. It goes without saying that choosing the right attorney is a critical decision. Look for an attorney who practices family law exclusively and find out how long they've been practicing. The biggest red flag in a potential attorney is someone who practices in all areas of law. Remember the saying, "Jack of all trades, master of none"? Well, that certainly holds true. An easy way to identify a family law specialist is to look for an attorney that's a member of the American Academy of Matrimonial Attorneys, or certified specialists by the state bar. Some attorneys are litigators, while others focus primarily on consensual dispute resolution, such as mediation or collaborative divorce. You need to decide what divorce process is right for you. Then be sure to select an attorney that has experience with that process. You don't want a hardcore litigator to represent you in an amicable mediation. Trust me, I've seen a shark blow up negotiations before they even get off the ground, time and time again. If you're litigating, it's a good idea to retain an attorney who practices in your county and knows the judges. Most attorneys charge for travel time, so it keeps costs down if your attorney's office is in close proximity to the court. Lastly, look for a good personality fit. You don't need to be best friends with your attorney, but you want to work with a straight shooter that you like and trust. Number 2, divorce financial advisor. Many people mistakenly believe that their attorney can handle all aspects of their case, including financial and tax implications. And for simple, low-asset divorces, this may be true. But if you have a degree of complexity to your finances, you will definitely benefit from working with a divorce financial advisor. Your divorce financial advisor can offer creative ideas, evaluate settlement proposals, and help you understand the long-term impact of your decisions. At a minimum, look for a certified divorce financial analyst. Bonus points if the financial professional is also a certified financial planner. A CDFA has specialized training in the financial and tax aspects of divorce, while a CFP has broad expertise across all facets of financial planning. Of course, these credentials are just a starting point. Ask what percentage of their practice is dedicated to divorce. I recommend a minimum of 25%. And how many cases have they had in the last year? It's critical that your divorce financial advisor is well-versed in your state's divorce laws, and there's no substitute for experience. This is one of many reasons why I don't recommend working with your regular financial advisor. You run the risk of receiving misguided advice that can undermine your settlement negotiations and jeopardize your financial future. Number 3, therapist. It's been said that divorce is the second most stressful life event, behind only the death of a spouse or a child. You need a strong emotional support system. This can include family, friends, a divorce coach, or a therapist. A good divorce coach can help you manage emotions, cope with stress, and develop strategies for communicating with your spouse. Some coaches even work with couples to develop a parenting plan that's in the best interest of the children. Working with a therapist can ease the emotional turmoil of divorce, foster a continuing co-parenting relationship with your spouse, and help you move forward on solid footing. Number 4, divorce mortgage advisor. If you own a house or are considering buying a new house, then you need a divorce mortgage advisor. Unlike most mortgage professionals, an experienced divorce mortgage advisor will have an in-depth understanding of the divorce process as well as divorce-specific underwriting guidelines. By performing a detailed underwriting analysis, a divorce mortgage advisor can offer guidance on how the mortgage fits into your settlement strategy. For instance, if you want to keep the house, it's important to determine whether you qualify to refinance and the potential impact of support payments. Number 5, forensic accountant. By combing through financial records, a forensic accountant can determine a spouse's true income, uncover hidden assets, and trace separate property. Some forensic accountants are also business valuation experts and can assess the valuation of privately held business interests. Since forensic accountants often provide expert witness testimony, it's important that your attorney and forensic accountant have a close working relationship. Their analysis will play a vital role in informing your settlement strategy. I know it can seem excessive to enlist a team of professionals, but the simple fact is there's too much at stake to go it alone. Having a solid team will help you navigate this difficult transition so you're ready to move on to the next chapter. If you found this video helpful, make sure to let me know below. And if you haven't already done so, be sure to subscribe to our channel. If you want divorce tips sent straight to your inbox, head over to survivedivorce.com and subscribe to our newsletter.